As we raise the flag and sing our national anthem, let us remember the unity and diversity that make our nation great.
Let us uphold the values of freedom, justice and equality for all the citizens of our nation. Today, as we look forward to a prosperous and bright future, we honor our past, celebrate the present and reflect our rich history.
On the 70th Independence Day, let us unite as a nation and reaffirm our commitment to building a better future for all. As we celebrate our freedom, let us also remember the importance of tolerance, respect, and understanding for one another.
Let us raise our voices to celebrate the freedom of our great nation, India. The independence we cherish is a result of fights and sacrifices of our freedom fighters.
So let us come together to celebrate this historic occasion with a feeling of patriotism in our hearts. We wish you all
a very happy Independence Day.
The essence of prayer is an intimate and profound conversation with God. Prayer does not change the God, but it changes those who offer it.
So now I would like to invite our majestical dancers on the stage for their prayer dance. Let's welcome them with their spiritual hearts.
हे पिता पुत्र ईश्वर, हे पवित्र आत्मा, तू साक्षात है प्रभु, तू ही शक्तिमान। नमो नमः, नमो नमः, नमो नमः। भजूं मैं तेरा नाम, भजूं मैं तेरा नाम, तू ही मेरा तारणहार, प्रभु तू ही मेरा तारणहार। चरण की दासी हूँ, बिन तेरे न गाऊंगी। सुना है मेरा संगीत, है मेरा संगीत। तेरी शरण में तेरे चरण में तुझे पूजने आई मैं। तेरी शरण में तेरे चरण में तुझे पूजने आई मैं। लाई हूँ फूलों के हार, प्रभु तू ही है मेरा आधार। भजूं मैं तेरा नाम, भजूं मैं तेरा नाम। तू ही मेरा तारणहार, प्रभु तू ही मेरा तारणहार।
Thank you for a divine performance. It truly cherished our hearts with God's presence.
So let's welcome our esteemed chief guest, Colonel N. Rishikant. He did his schooling from John Bosco, Imphal. He completed his MBBS from Patna Medical College in 1999. He got commissioned in AMC as a captain on 21st January 2002. He served in high altitude at 14,000 feet as the RMO of 2 Infantry Battalion. He served in foreign mission as a medical specialist in Nepal and also in United Nations mission in South Sudan. He has been a senior advisor in medicine for 2 years between 2021 to 2023. He is presently commanding the military hospital Fatehgarh from April 2023.
Now let me welcome our guest of honor, ex-Naib Subedar Vivek Singh Rathore. He is an army veteran from Farkhabad, having dedicated services in the Indian Army. An alumni of St. Anthony's Senior Secondary School, he has graduated in M. English from CSJMU Kanpur. On 15th August 2018, while posted at 2nd Rashtriya Rifles in Jammu and Kashmir, he was awarded with Chief of Integrated Defence Staff Commendation Card for distinguished services at Tri-Services, Headquarters of Integrated Defence Staff in New Delhi, Operation Rhino Medal in Assam and Operation Rakshak Medal in Jammu and Kashmir.
So now let's extend a warm welcome to everyone present here. We celebrate our Independence Day with pride and joy.
To share this joyous occasion, let's invite Richa for a heartwarming welcome speech.
मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जहाँ छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज और सम्राट अशोक जैसे राजा थे। मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जहाँ हर 50 मील पर लोगों का पहनावा मज़हब बदल जाता है। मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जहाँ डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया पाई जाती थी। मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जिसे अपने भूगोल से पहले इस ब्रह्मांड का भूगोल समझ में आया था। गुड मॉर्निंग टू एवरीवन प्रेजेंट हियर. I am glad to take you a few moments to welcome you all on this incredible event. Today's day marks the end of the foreign rule and the beginning of new era in Indian history. It symbolizes the trump of bravery, unity and determination of Indian peoples. Every individual who participated in the freedom struggle in whatever capacity is a hero or a heroine, worthy of our remembrance, respect and celebration. So first and foremost, I would like to pay tribute to the Almighty and the brave souls who made it possible for us to sit here, made it possible for us to stand here. I would like to extend a special welcome to our chief guest, Colonel N. Rishikant. Sir, he did his schooling from Don Bosco, Imphal. He completed his MBBS from Medical College in 1999. He got commissioned in AMC as captain in 2002. He also served in foreign mission as a medical specialist in Nepal and in United Nations, South Sudan. He is presently commanding military hospital in Fatehgarh. I welcome you, sir, here. Now, I would also like to welcome our guest of honor, Naib Subedar Vivek Singh Rathore, who is an army veteran from Farrukhabad. He is an alumni of our St. Anthony Senior Secondary School. He joined Indian Army in the year 2003. In the year 2017, he was posted to Rashtriya Rifle of Indian Army in the area around Kargil. On 15 August 2016, while posted as 2nd Rashtriya Rifle in Jammu and Kashmir, he was awarded with Chief of Integrated Defence Staff Commendation Card for distinct services at Tri-Services. Presently, he is working as an entrepreneur for national integrity. I welcome you, sir, here. Now I warmly welcome our principal, Father Joby Joseph, who is a guiding star for all of us present here today. Now I would like to welcome each and every member of teaching as well as non-teaching staff who help us to move forward in a way our freedom fighters did. Last but not the least, every single child sitting here. My dear friends, your presence only here describes your patriotism. So today myself, not just Richa. Today myself, an Indian, a proud Hindustani, welcome you to the day of Azadi. Welcome you all to the day of Swatantrata. Welcome you all to the day of Bharat. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, Richa, for a wonderful speech.
It is indeed a momentous occasion as we gather here to pay honor to our beloved flag, symbolizing our unity, integrity, and pride.
Now, as we embrace this solemn moment, I invite our chief guest, Colonel N. Rishikant, to do the honor of hosting our flag. So, I request everyone to please stand up on their respective places for flag hosting.
Soldiers and heroes of our nation. Their sacrifices are etched in our hearts forever.
So let us invite our talented singers onto the stage for their patriotic song. Please welcome them with a huge round of applause.
his performance.
On this grand occasion of Independence Day, I would like to invite Kanishka onto the stage to share her valuable words of gratitude towards the nation.
From the Himalayas' majestic peaks to Kanyakumari where the ocean speaks, in unity and diversity we stand so tall, India beloved for one and all. A very warm and cheerful morning to everyone present over here. Our Honorable Chief Guest, Colonel N. Rishikant Singh, our guest of honor, Naib Subedar Vivek Singh Rathore, our principal, Reverend Father Choppy Joseph, teachers and my dear friends. Today I, Kanishka, stand before you all to deliver a message on this auspicious day, that is the Independence Day. Today is 15th August, the 78th Independence Day of our country. And as we celebrate today the glorious victory of our nation, let us remember that this day is not just about celebrations. It is a day to remember those people who have sacrificed their life for the freedom of our country, to remember the freedom fighters because of whom today we are standing here enjoying this gift of freedom. Today is the day when we all should come together and pledge to uphold the legacy of our nation, the legacy of love, the legacy of bravery, and the legacy of peace. Today, I feel proud to be a part of this country. Today, I feel proud to be an Indian because India as a nation has seen lots of violence, clashes, and fights just in the mere names of religion, caste, and creed. But even after this, it has emerged as a stronger nation, and this tells us that our greatest strength lies in unity. At the end, I would just like to say that मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जिसके होठों में गंगा और हाथों में तिरंगा है। वो देश जो कभी सत्यम शिवम सुंदरम, कभी वंदे मातरम, तो कभी पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्रविड़ उत्कल बंगा है। मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जो हर ठुकराए की शरण भूमि बन जाता है और सात समुंदर पार बैठे वालों को भी अपना भाई बंधु बुलाता है। अंत में यही प्रेम की भूमि तो भारतवर्ष कहलाता है, भारतवर्ष कहलाता है। जय हिंद, जय भारत, वंदे मातरम।
Thank you so much, Kanishka, for your beautiful words.
हम भारत के वीर जवान, ऊंची रहे हमारी शान, हमको प्यारा हिंदुस्तान, गाएं देश प्रेम के गान।
To pay tribute to our fearless, brave soldiers of our nation, I would like to call upon our friends onto the stage for their wonderful skit.
अच्छा आर्मी ऑफिसर बनना है और देश की सेवा करनी है।
बेटा, मैंने तेरे पिताजी को तो खो दिया है, अब मैं तुझे नहीं खो सकती।
माँ, जैसे आप मेरी माँ हो वैसे धरती माँ भी मेरी माँ है और देश की सेवा करना मेरा फर्ज है। आबाद रहे तू, आबाद रहे तू। संदेशे आते हैं, हमें तड़पाते हैं, कुछ चिट्ठी आती है, पूछे जाती है कि घर कब आओगे, कि घर कब आओगे, लिखो कब आओगे, कि तुम बिन ये घर सूना सूना है। मेरे
वापस आऊंगा, मैं वापस आऊंगा, मैं वापस आऊंगा, मैं वापस आऊंगा।
आज पूरा देश क्रोधित है, पूरा देश आक्रोशित है और पूरा देश गुस्से से उबल रहा।
जम्मू कश्मीर के अवंतीपुरा में आतंकियों ने सीआरपीएफ के काफिले पर हमला किया है।
Tragic day for India. 40 CRPF jawans have been killed in the worst terror attack against security men in Kashmir ever.
ये हमला 2016 में उड़ी में हुए आतंकवादी हमले से भी बड़ा है और इसने पूरे भारत के धैर्य और सब्र को तोड़कर रख दिया।
अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए 100 दर्द सहे, महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा, चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे न रहे। ओ वतना में मेरे वतना में तेरा मेरा प्यार निराला था, कुर्बान हुआ तेरी असमत पे मैं कितना नसीबों वाला था। तेरी मिट्टी बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। नया हिंदुस्तान है, हिंदुस्तान भर में घुसेगा भी और मारेगा भी। क्या बदले के लिए आपका खून खोल रहा है? कमांडर्स, who are we? इंडियन आर्मी ने जंग शुरू नहीं की थी, बट वी विल bloody hell finish it. How is the Josh? How is the Josh? I said how is the Josh? मैं लड़ जाना है लहू में एक चिंगारी, जिद से जुनून तक ले जाना, हर कतरा बोल रहा। हो
चुकावा तेरा एहसान माए तेरी चुनरिया लहराए
जब तक मुझ में है जरा सी जान माए तेरी चुनरिया लहराए
तेरा नाम है साचा
वंदे
Wow, what a wonderful play it was. It really filled our heart with emotions.
Now, we have the honor of inviting our chief guest, Colonel N. Rishikant, to the stage to share a few words of wisdom and inspiration.
Please welcome him with a heart of gratitude.
How is the Josh? At the outset, respected Principal, Reverend Father Joby, all respected teachers, staff, and my dear children. It's indeed a prestigious moment for me that the principal has invited me to be the chief guest on the occasion of celebrating the 78th Independence Day. Swatantrata, 78th Independence Day. Children, you all know that the meaning of independence is Swatantrata. I'll speak in both Hindi and English. We should understand the sacrifices, the struggle our ancestors and leaders did 100 years back to bring the independence. We have great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and lot many more who have sacrificed their life, many number of beautiful life, to fight against the British colonial rule. And finally, in the year 1947, we got independence. And this day should remind us of the patriotism. I mean, I don't have much word because all my word have already been told by all the students. Patriotism is very much important. Deshbhakt. You all know that our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji has started an abhiyan हर घर तिरंगा. इस तिरंगा के नीचे खड़ा होके न मजहब है, न गरीब है, न अमीर है, सब एक है. That is unity in diversity. That's the reason why India is famous for unity in diversity, despite having hundreds of religion, hundreds of different cultural activities, different states are there where we practice different religion. That's the reason why unity and diversity is being, it's the main aim of hoisting this flag is we have to feel the feeling of patriotism. So I'm indeed lucky to spend few moments of this day with the principal, with all teachers and the respected guests of honor, and all of you few moments spending and unfurling the Indian flag. Unfurling the flag indicates the pride, again I repeat, the patriotism and the feeling of oneness, the unity, the equality which we should have. So as an Indian, on this day we should feel that we are one and we should work with unity so that we can bring much more good things in the future. With this, I would like to end. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram.
Stage for her wonderful and gracious performance.
इश्क की मैं हकदार
दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। सरसों से भरे खलियान मेरे, जहाँ झूम के भंगड़ा पा न सका, आबाद रहे वो गाँव मेरा, जहाँ लौट के वापस जा न सका। ओ हीर मेरी तू हंसती रहे, तेरी आँख घड़ी भर नम ना हो, मैं मरता था जिस मुखड़े पे, कभी उसका उजाला कम ना हो। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा, गुल बढ़ के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
Wow, I'm flabbergasted. It was truly a melodious performance.
Now, I would like to invite our esteemed guest of honor, Nayab Subedar Vivek Singh Rathore, to deliver his words of wisdom.
Respected our chief guest, Colonel Rishi Kant, Commanding Officer M.H. Fatehgarh, Father Principal, teachers, and my dear children. We wish you a very, very happy Independence Day. Today really is, I'm fortunate to be here on this special occasion. From these playgrounds to my training grounds beside this school and my active service in field areas and my service to the nation, I am again back here with you. It's really a very pride moment for me. And thanks, sir, for giving me this opportunity to be here. It's my pleasure, sir. Today, 15th August, is a very auspicious day. It is fortunate to be here to commemorate and celebrate this special occasion. Independence Day. This was the day on 15th August 1947 we achieved freedom and became independent from the rule of Britishers, a long rule of 200 years. Today is the day to remember our freedom fighters, our great revolutionaries who have sacrificed their life for their motherland, Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Sukhdev, Bhagat Singh, and Rajguru. Today is the day and need of hour to pay homage to our great freedom fighters, and the day for all brothers and sisters to rise above caste, creed, and color, religion, to unite, to take pledge under this tricolor, which is the spirit of our nation, and to respect and protect the freedom, unity, and integrity of our great nation earned after many sacrifices. On this occasion, I would also like to throw some light on Kargil Vijay Divas, which we have recently celebrated on 27 July. Today we also pay our homage to our brave soldiers for their unwavering and indomitable courage in the face of enemy in Kargil Vijay Yudh. It was a day on 8 May 1999 when Pakistani forces occupied some of the most key strategic positions on our side, on our mountains. Immediately after receiving the information, our forces retaliated very heavily and took our most important strategic posts. The main intention of that time, Pakistani army, was to distract the national NH1 and to have dominance over that area. Later on, their dominance on glacier. Immediately, भारत माता के सपूत जैसे ही उनको ऑर्डर मिला, कहाँ रुकने वाले थे? अपनी मातृभूमि की रक्षा के लिए विभिन्न रेजिमेंट्स के जय घोष के साथ सर्वदा शक्तिशाली जय माँ काली, आयो गोरखाली, राजा रामचंद्र की जय, भारत माता की जय घोष के साथ वो निर्भीक बिना भय के अपने प्राणों की चिंता ना करते हुए टूट पड़े दुश्मनों के ऊपर और उन्होंने टाइगर हिल, तोलुलिंग और सामरिक दृष्टि से बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण स्थानों पर कब्जा किया और विजय प्राप्त की। अपने भारत माता के ऐसे वीर सपूत जिन्हें हम कभी भूल नहीं पाएंगे, उनको हम सत सत नमन करते हैं आज इस मंच से। और कहना चाहूँगा दो शब्दों में एक गाने के माध्यम से, शान तेरी कभी कम न हो, शान तेरी कभी कम न हो, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, हम रहे या रहे ना रहे, मान तेरा कभी कम न हो। प्यारे बच्चों, आपने जो परफॉर्मेंस दी है, आज मुझे फ़क्र है कि हमारा देश सुरक्षित हाथों में है। जब ये जज्बा आपका देखता हूँ तो मुझे अपने दिन याद आते हैं और मैं बड़ा फ़क्र महसूस करता हूँ। और आपसे ईश्वर से आपके उज्जवल भविष्य के लिए प्रार्थना करता हूँ। आप जहाँ भी हों, राष्ट्र सम्मान, राष्ट्र प्रेम और राष्ट्र धर्म निस्वार्थ और सर्वोच्च रखें। ईश्वर से मैं आप सभी के उज्जवल भविष्य की कामना करता हूँ। भारत माता की जय। थैंक यू।
I thank our guest of honor, Naib Subedar Vivek Singh Rathore. We are really grateful to you, sir, for providing such insight and for the wonderful song. It really filled our heart with patriotic sentiments.
Welcome to the world of rhythm, melody and expressions, a world where every step narrates to a story and every twirl paints a canvas of emotions.
Now, let's welcome our performers for the energetic Punjabi dance. So please give them a big round of applause.
सोनिया दे रंग देख लो, बिना डोर तो उड़ती पतंग देख लो। बल्ले बल्ले जे सोनिया तेज कटारा बिजली दिया नदिया धारा 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 जे ढोल इना दे आओगे ता प्यार दे चुके खाओगे जे ढोल इना दे आओगे ता प्यार दे चुके खाओगे
Thank you so much for your vibrant performance. Now, I would like to invite our principal, Reverend Father Joby Joseph, to share his kind words. Let's welcome him with a big round of applause.
Our Honorable Chief Guest, Colonel Dr. Rishikant, CO MH Fatehgarh, our guest of honor, Naib Subedar Vivek Singh, our Staff Secretary, Soni sir, dear teachers, parents, and my dear children. Happy Independence Day to all of you. We are celebrating the 78th Independence Day of our country. And really, it's a proud moment for all of us. As our Modi ji says, Vikasit Bharat. We are moving into the line of developed countries. Dear students, this Independence Day should make us to think, what is my contribution to my nation? We are the proud citizens of this country. And why we are proud? We are proud only because of our leaders and the brave soldiers. When we think about independence, we think about the freedom struggle we had. Yesterday, we celebrated the Partition Day. Partition Day. And you know, this day brings the thought of the brave soldiers who fought for the country, the brave leaders who fought for the country and brought freedom for each and every one of us. Why we are moving freely in this nation today? Because we are safe. We are safe in the hands of the soldiers. Our soldiers are safeguarding the nation day and night. They are standing for us. They are fighting for us. So this freedom is a free gift for all of us, because we are really the future citizens of our country. You are all sitting here with that proud feeling that I am an Indian. And you saw the dance drama here, how our students were wonderfully performing, the acting they had, the dance they performed, the feeling of patriotism they brought to all of us. That really shows our love towards our country. That makes each and every citizen to sit quietly in and move freely in this country. Dear students, as you grow up, you should have that same feeling in your mind. The same responsibility that our leaders are taking up, our soldiers are taking up, you also should have the same feeling. As a student, you are the future leaders and citizens of India. I urge you to take pride in your heritage, respect the diversity of our great nation, and work towards creating a more just and equitable society. Let us celebrate this special day with patriotism, joy, and renewed commitment in our country's progress. So that should be our motto. As you move forward, as you grow, as you progress, you should have that feeling of oneness, unity, and the patriotic feeling in us. So I wish all of you all the blessings of the day and all the wishes of the day. And I wish you all the best. You can contribute yourself, your part to the nation, then our Vikasit Bharat will come true. And we will be in the Vikasit Bharat. So I wish you all the best and happy Independence Day to all of you, and Jai Hind. A special word of thanks to our Honorable Chief Guest, Colonel Dr. Rishikant, CO MH. Just in a one phone call, he accepted our invitation, and that was a really proud moment for me, because I wanted an army officer here to be the chief guest of the day, and this is really proud moments. Dear sir, we love you, we respect you, and we respect your commitment. Dear students, let us give him a big round of applause. And we have our alumni as our chief of our guest of honor, Naib Subedar Vivek Singh, a wonderful personality, a committed officer who was there in the Kargil war, fought for the country, and standing here. And this is really a proud moment, isn't it? Yes. So let us give him also a big round of applause. And we pay our respect to you, sir. So special thanks to all of you, and also all the programs are wonderfully arranged and wonderfully done. I congratulate all the in-charges and the teachers and the students who participated. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Father, for your inspiring words. I request you, Father, kindly remain on the stage. Now we would like to invite our chief guest, Colonel N. Rishikant, and guest of honor, Naib Subedar Vivek Singh Rathore, to receive a memento from our principal. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Father.
As we draw the curtains on this wonderful celebration, let us express our gratitude to everyone who made this day possible.
Now I would like to invite Dhruv for the vote of thanks.
आन देश की शान देश की हम संतान हैं, तीन रंगों से रंगा तिरंगा अपनी ये पहचान है. A very good morning to all of you present here. Today, as we celebrate the 78th anniversary of our nation's independence, we remember the sacrifices of our freedom fighters who fought bravely to secure our freedom. It's our duty to honor their legacy by upholding the values of freedom, justice, and equality. as we draw this splendid Independence Day to a close, I stand before you with a heart full of gratitude. First and foremost, I extend my deepest thanks to our esteemed chief guest, Colonel N. Rishikant. Your presence has truly raised this occasion. We are extremely grateful for the time and effort you took to be with us today. Thank you, sir. I would also like to thank our guest of honor, Naib Subedar Vivek Singh Rathore, who is an alumni of our St. Anthony School. Your presence has made this morning more special. Thank you, sir. A heartfelt thank to our Honorable Principal, Reverend Father Jobby Joseph. Your unwavering support and constant guidance have been a cornerstone of today's success. Thank you, Father. To the event organizers who work tirelessly behind the scenes, thank you. Finally, a big thank you to all the teachers, staff, and students who participated and contributed to the success of this event. Once again, thank you all for being here and making our Independence Day truly special. Let us continue the spirit of freedom and unity in our hearts and action. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Today we celebrated our freedom, our unity and our diversity. We owe our freedom to the countless heroes who sacrificed their lives for the country.
This day serves as a reminder of our duty to uphold the nation's value and contribute to its progress.
As we conclude our event, let's take a pledge to strive hard and contribute to the development of our nation.
Let us not take our freedom for granted, and remember, freedom in the mind, faith in the words, and pride in our hearts.
Let us salute our nation on this 78th Independence Day, the nation to which we belong, our nation, India.
On this 15th August, let us remember the blood shed by our freedom fighters to achieve our freedom. Let us salute the great nation to which we belong. By these words, we sign out.
Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thanks, Father, for giving me 1 minute. In fact, as an army officer, this 1 minute speech is basically to appreciate all the teachers behind the scenes. The performances being showcased by all the students was wonderful, exquisite and splendid. It reminded me of my school days, even though I was from a convent school, Don Bosco, same environment. You know, we're never allowed to go out from the school and all. So 15th of August was a special day. In my time, I never used to carry a tiffin box or a bottle of water. I never used to carry. So those days, there should be a program like this. I used to participate in small dramas and all, and there were a lot of people who used to motivate us. So as an army officer, I think many of you will become an army officer or join the army as a PVOR or any rank. So this uniform, Naib Subedar Vivek Rathore, you must have seen what he's wearing. I want to tell you something about his uniform. You must have seen that we used to wear ribbons. This is called ribbon. This is called medals. Hoisting the flag, an army officer or army, anybody from army, we have to wear this medal. This is called ceremonial dress. We respect the flag. So this is called medal. I have to wear a medal and I have to wear a P cap. This is what is there in the SOP. So children, one day many of you might join the army. So you should know the uniform. We have a medal, we have ribbon, we have P cap. These are all ceremonials. So lastly but not the least, once again I congratulate Father for the guidance given to everybody and all the teachers who are behind the scenes. and all the performance who acted in all these songs, the dramas. It was wonderful and it was enthralling. I am going back with good memories. I might not stay here in the next 15 August, but I'll remember this day. Thank you so much once again.